So with this new TikTok product research method, I was able to find products that are doing over 7 figures every single month, and I was able to find a ton of potential products that I could sell. So make sure you guys stick around the whole video so you can see step by step how I do this. I come out with videos every single Monday, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe down below. And just as an announcement, guys, I'm starting my own e-commerce agency for creating different e-commerce websites, and these are just a couple examples of stores that I've built, but currently I'm just doing stores right now. So if you guys have a product that you would want to sell, I can build that store around it with very nice high converting themes. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure you guys message me on Facebook. I'll leave a link to my profile in the description below. If you guys did not know this, TikTok has over 1 billion monthly active users, and I think within a couple of years or so it's going to catch up and surpass Facebook. And because of this, they have an insane amount of content when it comes to trendy products, cool products, DIYs, how-tos, and people literally post anything on there. And as dropshippers, that's going to be very beneficial when we want to see what types of products that are trending and find different product ideas that we could potentially test and scale. So right before we get into the actual product research, you guys need to understand that there's 3 main things that you guys want to look out for. And I don't think enough people talk about this, but the number one thing, especially if you're looking on TikTok, you want to look for wow factor, and that's when a product has a unique quality around it that differentiates itself from all the other products out there. And it can also stop people from scrolling when they look at it on Facebook or on TikTok. And then the second thing that it needs to have is demand. And one way you guys can figure that out is by going on Google Trends, looking up how much to search, and then also going on AliExpress to see how many times it's been ordered. And then number 3, you want to have a product that has a wide market. And what I mean by this is that it has a lot of people that would be willing to purchase it. So let's say something like as common as phone cases, or a posture corrector, something that has a wide niche of people that you're going to be able to market and scale to effectively. But later down the road, once you guys get really good at product research, you're going to be able to look at products that haven't even really been sold that much and be able to realize and have an eye for it that it could potentially sell really well. So once you guys get on TikTok, you guys need to go over to the Discover tab, go to the search bar, and then look up TikTok made me buy it. And then you can see right away is that there's a lot of videos that have a ton of views. So let's go ahead and watch this video. So that product specifically was actually a winner on Facebook a couple years ago. Now, I don't know if you can sell it on there now. You can try it out and test it for yourself, but this product was absolutely killing it. And we can go ahead and look at the next video. And this creator specifically is very good because she actually uploads videos of very cool and trendy products that she finds on Amazon. And these are actually selling products that are making millions of dollars, like these levitating plants and light bulbs. There are some very, very cool stores out right now. The only problem I see with that product is that it's hard to have margins. You do have to sell it for quite a lot, but it is a good product idea. So one other thing that I wanted to mention is that if you guys want to do TikTok product research on a desktop computer, all you guys got to do is go to tiktok.com and put in this exact link. So /tag/TikTok made me buy it, or whatever hashtag you want to use, like Amazon best finds, etc. And then you can see here it will show you the most engaged videos. So you can sort of go through here and look at products that have a potential to sell. One thing that's cool about this creator is that they're actually making money off of these videos, and they have a Amazon affiliate link. So when you click on their actual profile, you guys can see that they have this bit.ly link here, and they link all the different products on their page. So you guys can really see the power of TikTok or just having a brand on here. So you can go ahead and click on this, and you can see she lists all the different types of products on here, and I'm going to click on one of them, and it directly links to Amazon. And I know that she's making money off of these product videos because it shows a referral link right here. So she gets a small commission per purchase. So now you see the power of TikTok when it comes to e-commerce. So after looking at those 2 products on TikTok, what I've realized is that there's actually a brand out here selling those 2 exact products and are making an absolute killing. And if you watch my previous video, I talk about this brand Flight, and they sell levitating products for home decor. And if you guys don't know what this tool is, it's the Big Spy tool, and you guys can use it for competitor research. So going to their actual ad, you guys can see that it's very, very well done, and it's professionally done. And out of all the different brands that I've seen out there, I think this one is safe to say to have some type of movie quality to it. But these guys really took this product to the next level, and I think you really have to do that, especially if you're going to be selling a high ticket product like like this. Like if we go on AliExpress, you guys can see here that this product goes for $65, and when we go to their actual website, you guys can see that they're selling theirs for $300, the levitating bulb for $300 as well. And when we go to a brand breakdown, they're making anywhere from $2.4 to $3 million in revenue every single month. I think this brand alone is a good testament to how TikTok can be used to find very good, very trendy and cool products that you guys can sell and transform into an actual brand like they did. And then from here, you can sort of sort to, you know, if you want to change it to the last 3 months, last 6 months, we can see what videos started popping off within the last week. And this one was posted by the same creator 4 days ago, and it already has a lot of views and likes. So it's like some type of side table. The thing that I found out about TikTok, and I'm sure you guys see as well, is that people really love trendy and like gimmicky, shiny, flashy types of product. So obviously selling these types of products on TikTok specifically, whether you decide to run ads or just upload content to see if it'll go viral, it's a very good idea. Another hashtag that you guys should be looking up as well is Amazon Best Finds. And then you can sort for the last 3 months. This one is Amazon Best Gadgets. And then that's basically what I do. I literally scroll through all these videos, do these different hashtags. And then one other cool tip that I'll give you guys is that you can also search up AliExpress on here. You can look at users or different videos. Let me see, this one, yeah, it's usually this one. They always upload good content on here, and some of it's actually going viral, and I'm gonna start testing some of the products. But they upload a ton of different products that you guys could potentially test. And you can actually use this content as well for your ads, whether that's on TikTok or on Facebook, and just make a compilation of videos. Like this product right here, it's these ceiling clamps that you guys can use. It almost has 1 million views on TikTok. This product actually did very well on Facebook, and I think it's worth testing again. One other cool product that I wanted to mention to you guys as well is this shower head, and this one actually does very, very well on TikTok, and it was actually a viral product on Facebook as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this video, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is.
TikTok made me buy it, part 1. So this was all over TikTok, and I wanted to see if it would actually help my sad shower head that has the worst water pressure ever. So I changed it out to this big guy today, but I also didn't realize how contaminated my city's water is. So basically those little pinto beans you see removes all those contaminants that are irritating to your skin, and a look at that water pressure difference. I have no idea.
Based off of the video, it filters out bad water, and there's actually a brand out there that is doing very, very well on TikTok, just organically uploading content for this product. And their TikTok account is called Zen Bodies, and they have over 400,000 followers and 12 million likes. And that's all they do. They literally just upload content on here, and they haven't been uploading content for that long. They're just able to outsource their videos, just able to upload content pretty easily and then outsource the product to different influencers, and that really helps their account go viral. As you can see here, they have a handful of videos that have over 1 million views, so obviously their store is getting some pretty good traffic. And when we run a Alexa traffic ranking, you can see that their ranking is pretty decent. And if you guys don't know about this tool, the lower your Alexa ranking is, that means your website gets a lot more traffic. And when we go on NicheScraper, you can see the estimated revenue is anywhere from 9 to 11,000. Now I do think they make a little bit more revenue than this, and you have to think that they're using organic traffic, so a lot of this is just profit. And I think if they start running ads, they're going to be making a lot more money. So this product definitely has a lot of potential, and when we go on AliExpress to look it up, you guys can see that this gets a ton of orders off of AliExpress. This one has 8,000 orders, almost going on 7,500 orders. This product is definitely in high demand, and it has a wow factor as well, based off of the videos that we saw. And this is something perfect that you guys can advertise on TikTok and even Facebook if you guys want to try this again. Another thing too is that the TikTok ads platform is literally a carbon copy of the Facebook one. The only main difference that I see is that creatives need to be updated more and you get more creative fatigue, but it's exactly the same. And the cool thing about this new ads platform is that you get pretty cheap costs, cheap CPMs, cheap cost per clicks, and cheaper purchases as compared to Facebook. Facebook. And from what I've seen from different YouTubers out there that are testing TikTok as well, they're seeing very, very good results, and this platform is very, very promising. And I'm sure you guys have seen this as well. People go viral on this platform very easily and with no work or, money investment. You'll see accounts on here go from 0 to 1 million or 100,000 followers within a month or so. And people literally create brands out of themselves and out of different products just by uploading viral content. And the cool thing about it is all you guys need is a cell phone, and then you can film the product very easily and get creatives uploaded within 10 to 20 minutes. So that's exactly why I think this platform is the next biggest opportunity and that you guys should be jumping onto it as well. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and got some value out of it. If you did, make sure you guys like down below and subscribe. And if you're on the fence of getting into dropshipping, make sure you guys check out my last video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.